Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the power seat fuse is located on this 2006 Dodge Durango. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So the first thing we need to do here is just pop our hood. Now we're going to get into this fuse box right here. So squeeze these two tabs and lift. There's a diagram on the back side here that tells you where things are located. That diagram will tell you that this 40 amp box fuse right here is the fuse for the power seats. So this is the fuse you're looking for. It's a 40 amp box fuse right here. So if this video is helpful to you, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. I'll have Amazon affiliate links in the description where you can get new fuses if you need to on Amazon. Thank you for watching and have a good one.